Let's solve this two-step equation. It's a two-step equation because it involves two operations, division, shown here, and addition, shown here. So let's take this equation and plug it into this template. So we get negative x over 4 plus 2 equals 5. We want to get rid of this term, so we need to subtract both sides of the equation by 2. So we get negative x over 4 plus 2 minus 2 equals 5 minus 2. Simplifying, we get negative x over 4 equals 5 minus 2, or 3. This expression involves division, which we can undo with multiplication. So we write negative x over 4 times negative 4 in order to get rid of this negative as well, equals 3 times negative 4. So as you can see, we multiply both sides of the equation by negative 4. Simplifying, we get x is equal to negative 12.